Okay.
Today, can you introduce yourself?
Okay. Good day, ma'am. I'm Marian, 40 years old from Purok Tres, Rizal West San Isidro, Isabela, Philippines. I am married and blessed with two children ages 18 and 6 years old. My husband is a sales merchandiser. My parents are both businessmen. And I am a college graduate with the degree business of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in management.
Bachelor in hotel or business? Sorry,
Offices, ma'am. Office, ma'am. In
office.
office. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you repeat again the bachelor name?
Bachelor of Science and Business Administration, major in management, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
let's see. So 4 years course, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you tell me the working experience of you, the KSA1, which year to which year?
In KSA, ma'am, March 2024 to April 2026, ma'am.
2024. Okay, so what is your
Yes,
job
ma'am.
there?
My main duties there, ma'am, take care of pets, ma'am, 25 cats. And then cleaning, yes, ma'am.
25
Cleaning,
cat?
cooking, yes, ma'am. They are in 3 rooms.
Only cat, no kids.
No kids, ma'am. They are all adults, ma'am. 7 members of the family.
7 members of the families and
Yes,
25
ma'am.
is 25.
Yes, ma'am. And the house is third floor.
Okay, why they have so many cats? They are cellular or what?
They are also like their child, mom.
Okay, so they consider the cat as their child, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you worked there for 2 years. You just come back to Philippines this year, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Which month?
April, ma'am.
April. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So how can you take care of 25 cat? What you need to do?
I will feed them, ma'am, in morning. 3 times, sometimes 4 times a day because they are also uh, their food, ma'am, breakfast, lunch, dinner, and also they are snack. They have snacks.
Snack. Okay.
Yes.
So they have snack time and just like a kid, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you need to interact with the cat, like play toys or what?
Oh, yes, ma'am. They have a play.
Okay. So you need to play with the cat also, right?
Yes, ma'am. And also always talk to them.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I see. So the employer, they're all adult.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
They're all professional, ma'am. There is two doctor, then the other is engineer, then two in the office.
Oh, okay. So it's doctor, right? Hospital one.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Two.
Okay. Two engineers in office. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Also, they're well educated.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what you need to do, except of taking care of the kid, what you need to do a day? Like what time you wake up, and after you wake up, what is your job?
Here, here in the Philippines, ma'am.
Yes.
Before, I will just assist the mother, ma'am, to take care of her child.
Mm-hmm.
I will take a bath like that, then sometimes feed
Oh, you mean
the
you mean
baby.
in Philippines, right?
Yes, ma'am, in the Philippines.
Okay. Your Philippine job, when is it? Which year?
March 2010 to 2016, ma'am.
10 years in one employer, right?
6 years, ma'am.
Oh, 6 years. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the location? Is this Manila or other province?
Uh, Ma'am,
Where is where is it? Philippine Manila or in Isabela
in
or abroad?
Isabela, ma'am, only neighbor.
Neighbor. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Here,
Okay. What is the job of your neighbor? Are they professionals?
the only their parents, ma'am, is work abroad.
Oh, workable. So they hire you.
The male only, ma'am.
Mm,
And
okay.
also because their parents, ma'am, is also abroad, so
Oh, yeah. Just
yeah.
just like just like the helper in Hong Kong, they will hire the neighbor to
Yes,
take care of
ma'am.
the kids. They will send
Yes,
family.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So 6 years in Philippines. How old are the kids when you start taking care of them?
Baby, ma'am, 8 months
Bigger.
old, like that.
Oh,
Yes.
only one baby.
Yes, ma'am.
I see. And then I know you work in Hong Kong very long time ago. Which year in Hong Kong?
2009 and 2010 only. 1 month, more than 1 month only, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me about what is the situation that time?
They're in the Hong Kong, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
My work, ma'am.
I mean, what is your situation that time why you need to break the contract and just work for 1 month?
Because my mother died, ma'am. I accompany her to the hospital until she died.
Okay. What happened with your mother? Like suddenly faint or
Heart attack,
died?
ma'am. Heart attack, high blood and the heart attack.
Oh, like the heart
Yes,
problem, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. So after you go back, the mother passed away.
Yes,
Okay. 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 And then you go to KSA, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, but after 2009, what is your work in the Philippines? Is the 6 years working in Philippines for your neighbor, right? And then you go
Yes,
to
ma'am.
KSA.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, why you want to come Hong Kong again?
Because for the future of my children, ma'am. I have a
Mm.
college already, ma'am.
Oh, I see. I see.
Yes.
Okay, and for the newborn baby, you take care of. Do you need to make milk for the baby? Formula
Yes,
milk.
ma'am.
Can you tell
Yes,
me the
ma'am.
procedures of how to make milk for the baby?
First, ma'am, I will put the water, warm. It must be warm, ma'am, and then the powder, and then shake like this, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
And then how can you test the temperature?
Here, ma'am, in my this one. Wrist.
Mm. And after you
Yes, ma'am.
feed the baby, what you need to do?
Until she burp.
Okay, I
Burp.
see.
Burp.
So,
Yes.
what will you do if you find that the baby keep crying at the midnight? What will you do?
I will get. I will get the baby, ma'am, and until she stop, I will just. Yes,
Not
ma'am.
feeling well. I mean, maybe has high temperature. Not feeling well. What will you do?
I will check the temperature, ma'am, and then sometimes we first, ma'am, we put also the towel in
No.
the head, ma'am.
Okay. And then what else? If really not feeling well, what will you do?
I tell to their parents, ma'am.
Okay. Will you
Yes, ma'am.
just give the medicine by yourself without instructions of the employer?
Yes, ma'am. I will not. I will not make,
You will
ma'am.
not.
It no. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. Can you share a room with the baby?
Ma'am.
Are you
Sorry.
willing to share a room with the kid or baby? Share room.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. It's okay, ma'am.
Okay. And if the employer is very busy, can she pay you instead of letting you go for off day?
It's okay. Yes, ma'am.
Exactly. You're
Yes,
welcome.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I see. Okay. In KSA, if you need to do baking, pizza, cookies, bread, plate, bakery, cooking,
Only rice, ma'am.
only rice.
Yes, ma'am. Their breakfast and lunch. Every time they ask me to the kabsa, ma'am. Only
Mm,
kabsa, pasta, something like that, ma'am. And
okay.
then yes, egg omelette like this.
Okay. For the cat, do you need to take shower for the cat?
No, ma'am. They were the cat not
Not
to
take
take a bath.
shower.
Only feed. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Only
How
feed
about the
and
nail?
clean their eyes, their ears, like that, ma'am.
Okay. How about the nail? If you need to cut the nails of the cat,
I don't I don't cut
you don't need it.
their nail, mom. Yes, they
How about
bring
the
there at
ear?
the parlor, mom.
Okay, I see.
Yes, mom.
Okay. Okay, but do you like cat?
Ma'am.
Do you like cat? Dog?
Yes, ma'am. I am a pet lover, mom.
Pet
Dog and
lover?
cat.
Do
Yes,
you have
mom.
your own dog and own cat?
Yes, mom.
How many in Philippines?
3 cats, mom. Then 2 dog.
2 dogs. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.